Is your Android phone lagging, freezing, or taking forever to open apps? Don't worry, you don't need a factory reset or a new phone. In this quick guide, I'll show you simple steps to make your Android faster and smoother. Step 1. Restart your phone. Hold the power and volume up button, then tap Restart. A quick reboot clears background processes and fixes small glitches. Step 2. Free up storage. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Storage. If your storage is nearly full, your phone will slow down. Tap Free up space. Now delete junk files, old downloads, screenshots, and large files you don't need. Keep your important apps and photos. Step 3. Clear app caches. Open Settings. Tap Apps. Then see all apps. Pick heavy apps like TikTok, Instagram, Chrome, or YouTube. Tap Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary junk but keeps your login and data. Repeat for other slow apps. Step 4. Optimize battery settings. From the App Info page, tap App Battery Usage. Here you'll see Allow Background Usage. If you turn this off, the app can't run in the background. This saves battery and can make your phone feel faster. If you use the app a lot and need real-time updates, leave Allow Background Usage on. Turn it off only for apps you don't need running all the time. Step 5. Simplify your wallpaper. Next, go to your home screen. Press and hold on an empty area of the screen. Tap Wallpaper and Style. Choose a simple static wallpaper instead of a live wallpaper. Live wallpapers can make some phones feel slower, especially over time. Step 6. Speed up animations. Go back to Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap System. Tap Developer Options. Scroll to the Drawing section. Change Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale to 0.25x. This makes animations faster and your phone feel more responsive. If you don't see developer options, you can skip this step. Step 7. Check battery usage. Go to Settings again. Scroll to Battery and tap it. Tap Battery Usage at the top. Scroll through and see which apps use the most battery. If you spot one you rarely use, restrict it, clear its cache, or uninstall it. Final step. Restart again. After making all these changes, restart your phone one more time. You should notice smoother performance right away. And that's it. Your Android should now feel faster, smoother, and more responsive. Try these tips whenever your phone starts slowing down. And subscribe for more quick Android fixes.